true wireless earbuds. These are pretty popular recently. We have some paperwork, manual. Oh, this is much smaller than I had expected. Let's take a look. It is tiny. Wow. We have battery indicator here, and these appears to be blinking. Ready for pairing, I assume. Type-C port charging. That's excellent. So I don't have to worry about all these micro USB cable, lightning cable, and I think in the future, this is gonna be the future. Charging input 5 volt at 1000 milliamps. That means 5 volts of charging input, which is pretty fast considering the small capacity of the battery inside. Output is 0.5 volts. Capacity 410 milliamps, 1.5 watt hour battery inside. Excellent. Let's test the pairing process using my iPad. It's searching for device. There you go. It's connected. Let's see here. Well, it's 100% out of the box. Great. Put these on. Feels pretty comfortable and provides an excellent seal for noise canceling. Right. That's how you put it back in the box. Magnetic, so they won't fall out easily. Close. Well, as soon as I close, it shows not connected. So the connection is automatically turned off. Put it in the box, comes back, comes the charging cable.